girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done.
So, the Mythic Switchblade X9 is back, but not really. As you guys may know, in this drop we are not getting the Motocobos skin from the original Lucky drop. Instead we got the Florence Night Terror, which is a super tryhard skin from the Modern Warfare, and I actually like it. With that being said, I'm going to show you the gameplay and the best attachments for it. Enjoy the rest of the video, drop a like and sub, and I'll see you on the next one.
Capture the objectives. Enemy taking Charlie. Capturing Alpha. Enemy has Charlie. We captured A. We're capturing C. We're capturing B. Recon is standing by. Enemy taking B. Friendly Shock RC is ready. Friendly Shock RC is ready. UAV online. Predator missile on standby. Enemy UAV spotted. Predator missile. Jamming our radar. Enemy has Bravo. Destroy enemy's counter. Tied to the lead. Capturing Bravo. UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online. Friendly Shock RC is ready. Friendly Shock RC is coming. Predator missile awaiting orders. Friendly Predator missile delivered. Captured Bravo. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online. It's too close. White Guard. Friendly Shock RC is coming. Friendly Shock RC is coming. We've taken the lead.